and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today we will be solving a problem which is nth Tribonacci series or number. Leetcode 1137 problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have the Tribonacci series or sequence. Tn is defined as follows: t0 equals to 0, t1 equals to 1, t2 equals to 1, and we have given this like t of n plus 3 number. It means the current number will be the sum of the previous three numbers. It is saying like this कि करंट नंबर का जो सम होगा वो सम ऑफ प्रीवियस थ्री नंबर, पहले के तीन नंबर का सम होगा, or for n greater than equals to 0. It is same like the nth Fibonacci series number. So given n return the value of tn. Okay, nth जो टर्म है मेरे को वो रिटर्न करनी है. If n equals to 4 here, you can see n equals to 4. So for finding out the 4, we have to find the previous three numbers like t1, t2 and t3. Here you can see here the sum is t0 is 0, t1 equals to 1, t2 equals to 1. Now I have to find the t3. T3 will be sum of previous three numbers. Sum of previous three numbers are 0, 1 to this one. 0 plus 1 plus 1, which will be 2. Now I have to find t4. So for finding out the t4, I have to find the sum of previous three numbers like t1, t2 and t3. Here t1 equals to 1, t2 equals to 1, and now you can see here t2, t3 equals to 2. So sum of these three numbers will be 4. So it is same like recursion solution, like we are just finding out the values of some of the previous three numbers. So what we will do is, this is the recursive solution. If you can see here n equals to 0, then sum will be 0, so that's why return 0. If n equals to 1, else in case, in that case I will return 1, you can see here. And if n equals to 2, then in that case I will return 1 also. Now I have to make a function call for n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, because currently I am at the nth number. Like you can see here int n. I am at the nth number. For finding out the nth number, I have to find the sum of previous three numbers. So that's why I am doing a function called solve of n minus 1 plus solve of n minus 2 plus solve of n minus 3, and that will be the code. If I run this code, that will give you a TLE, because if I submit this here, you can see here it is giving me TLE. Why it is giving me TLE? Because you can see the constraint here. Constraint are like n is going up to 37. If n is going up to 37, so it will take a lot of time, because it's a recursive solution. So I have to optimize this solution. So for optimization, I have to add the DP here. So let's add the DP here. So adding the DP, I have to create a vector of size n plus 1 and initialize with minus 1. I think you all know about the DP. So I'm just creating the DP. Now I have to pass here. So vector int DP. I am passing by reference. Now these three conditions will remain same, and I have to change this condition. So let's, if I add like if dp of n is not equal to minus 1, if my dp of n is not equal to minus 1, in that case I can return my dp of n. So let's say return dp of n. Now the sum will be dp of n equal to, मेरे को return dp of n ही करना है. So in that case like return dp of n, and ये फंक्शन कॉल जो जाएगी उसमें dp भी पास होगा. तो लेट्स पास द dp here. Now it will be optimized. Now let's run this and see if this will work or not. So here should be a semicolon. Semicolon again. Yes, now it will run perfect. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Now you can see here it is working perfect. So you can see here what I've done is I'm just creating a DP vector, and I'm just passing out the DP in my function, and these three conditions will remain same, and the sum of the current number, the main logic of this solution is sum of the current number will be the sum of previous three numbers. So that's why I'm doing a function called like solve of n minus 1 comma dp, solve of n minus 2 comma dp, and solve of n minus 3 comma dp, and see if it is a sum. So that's why plus sign will be there, because I have to add all those numbers that we are getting from previous number. And finally I am returning my dp here. So that was the solution. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.